Most AI voices don't sound bad because of the voice itself. They sound bad because of one setting people completely ignore. And once you fix it, the difference is honestly shocking. If you've ever used ElevenLabs or any AI voice tool and thought, why does this still sound robotic? This is probably the reason. The secret setting is stability. Most people leave it too high. Here's what happens when stability is maxed out. The voice becomes super consistent, but also super flat. No natural variation, no emotion, no personality. It sounds like a robot trying very hard to sound human. That's why lowering stability slightly changes everything. When you reduce it, the AI starts adding small imperfections. Tiny pauses, tone shifts, different emphasis. And weirdly enough, those imperfections are what make it sound real, because real humans don't speak perfectly. Now, here's the mistake people make. They lower it too much. Then the voice becomes chaotic and unpredictable. So the goal isn't lowest stability possible, it's balance. Usually somewhere in the middle works best, especially for YouTube shorts, storytelling videos, and voiceovers. But here's the second secret nobody talks about. Your script controls the voice more than the settings do. If your script is written like an essay, the AI sounds robotic. If it's written like someone actually talking, the voice instantly feels more human. That means shorter sentences, more commas, natural pauses, line breaks. Even adding sometimes helps create breathing space. Another huge trick, generate in smaller chunks. Don't paste giant paragraphs. 1 or 2 sentences at a time gives the AI way better pacing and emotional control. That alone can completely change the output. Now, let's talk real pros and cons. The biggest advantage is obvious. Your voiceovers instantly sound more professional and natural. But the downside is you have to experiment a little. There's no one perfect setting for every voice. Different voices react differently. Quick recap, lower stability slightly. Don't max clarity settings. Write like a real person talks. Use punctuation properly. Generate in small sections. That's the real formula. Most people think realistic AI voices come from expensive tools. Honestly, a lot of it comes from knowing how to use the settings properly. And once you dial this in, your AI voice stops sounding like AI. It starts sounding like an actual person talking. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.